Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Good. I'm good, Ray. Thank you. Good. Huh? So, what happened, Ray? Today, less number of people are there. Festival. Good. So, once it is weekend, another one is festival. Interesting point is, whenever the festival is there, before they will not come, after day also they will not come. Even one day festival, they will take 3 days holidays. Good. Let's see. Now, let's start. DBS 2. Yeah. Okay. Everyone, today we are going to actually, less number of people are there, but still we are going to discuss most important topic of whole MySQL, which is joins. Today we are going to understand one of the most important and interesting topic, because once you understand this, almost you are there to solve any query. Almost. Now, how to do that we will discuss, but before that, we'll have a quick recap of what we discussed. Okay. Now, I will just give you a bird view of what is what. Let's go here. Let's go here. Yeah. Now, if we have to revise everything from starting, we started something called database management system, and then we choose something called RDBMS, and then we choose something called MySQL. And the MySQL is the RDBMS tool which we use to store the data or retrieve the data or some kind of manage or update the data. Online is voice is okay, ma? I think for some people it's not okay. If it is not clear, anta. Yeah. Is it okay now? Online, is it okay now? Online, is it okay now? Or is it also saying the that's good now? Yeah. Thank you. Nice. Yeah. So we have choose a DBMS and we have RDBMS. In one of the RDBMS is MySQL, which we started. And in this RDBMS, what we learned? We learned to create database and drop the database, use the database. If anyone not understand or anyone not practice or anyone want repetitions, you can watch the previous classes which are available so that you will revise these things. Now, I will give you a list of complete all commands in the MySQL today so that you can refer that list also. Now, after that, we discussed how do you create a table and then how do you alter a table. Alter bole to add column, drop column, change column or modify column. This all are comes under the alter the table. Or after that, we discussed drop the table. We discussed something like uh, create, alter, drop, truncate, okay, and rename, and rename. Next, after this, we discussed something called queries, which are select, okay, where, select from where. We discussed these things from where. After this, ordered by. Oh, I forgot the middle ones, Ray, which are insert, delete, update. After this, we discussed select from where, order by, group by, having, limit, distinct, and did we miss anything? Limit I didn't discuss. Okay, I will tell you limit. Don't worry. Okay, remember we need to discuss limits. Okay, and huh? What? Evolve. We have some aggregate functions also. Aggregate functions. Aggregate we discussed some things like sum, average, max, min, count, group concat. We discussed all of this, sir. Okay. Don't worry, we'll do limit one more time. Okay. Now, coming to the round and all, actually, I didn't use those things because the mathematical operators and all are chota ones. Last class, I will give you in Monday, I will just give you a wrap of simple things. Like, we have something like math dot round, some mathematical functions are there. String functions are also there. String length, string split, kind of things. Those things we'll discuss at last point. Don't worry. Okay. These are major concepts. Okay. These were not only the topics, these were actually major concepts. Now, we'll start the major one now. Workbench. If I go to a workbench, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, yesterday we clearly understand what is the difference between, where and having. Okay. Now, I will show you one more time this one, and I will give you a question which you can answer it, sir. Today, new file. Now, already the files till yesterday were mentioned in the GitHub, and yesterday I even pushed into the drive. Okay. If any one of you take the drive link, you will get it. Those things also, sir. Okay. Now, today, 6, 6, 9, 24. Now, let's start one more time. First, let me see what are there in my table. I will show you one by one. First, we will see the table. Then we'll write one queries, which will have group by and having. And I will show you like what is the difference between where and having. Once we are clear of all these topics, we'll move forward. Okay, ma? Now, group by and having one more time. Now, first, write it this query. What is this select asterisk from, say, first database, use database name, school. Let me see what are there available. Yeah, I have a TID, I have a TC name, I have a gender, I have salary, I have DOB, I have SUB, I have country. Okay. Now, 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 if I say very simple question, if I say How many people are from? How many are people are from India? How many people are there from India? Can you write the query, sir? Write it. Even the last ones. Try it, ma. Take a book and paper and start writing it. Green shirt. Start it. You only, darling. Very simple. Just to show you difference between where and having this one. Select, count, asterisk as Indians from Sensei, where school, sorry, where country equals to India. So total Indians are 12. Now here, what happened? Here very simple. Total how many are there? You just counted. Dekho. Here so many people are there. Each one is one person, sir. Imagine here so many people are there. And now your task is count when so many people are there. Your task is count how many Indians are there. Will you separate them? Dekho, if someone is asking it, how many people are there with the red shirt? I don't need to. I will not say it like all the red sheet people come out. No, I don't need to separate. I can directly count na. Okay, this guy is Indian. This guy is Indian. This guy is Indian. This guy is Indian. Ho gaya. 4 Indians are there. That's a easy count process, na? Right or not? Will you group them, sir? Will you separate them? No, because you are not separating. You are using where. Imagine there is a situation that you separated them. How many? How many Indian males are there? Huh? Not getting. Only males चाहिए. इधर मेल्स कैसा देता? इधर जेंडर देता. Gender, male is gender, female is also gender. So yeah, you can give condition like that. That is 100% true. You can say it like and. Okay, and instead of this, I want to separate. I want to see it like total how many males are there, total how many females are there. First, your manager asked total. In our company, how many males are there, how many females are there? Okay, you say you told. In that, how many Indians are there? He asked. He asked in reverse. First, he asked you total how many males are there. Okay, you told one number. Now he is asking it like how many Indians are there. That means you already separated them. You already made a group. Once you made a group, then you will use something called having. After the group, literally after the group only, you will write having. Always. Okay. Now, if I write it here, count, asterisk, gender, comma, gender. Now, if I write it here, group by gender, gender. Now see, total how many males are there? 20. How many females are there? In that India wala only chahiye हमको. This one is total na. Having country equals to India. Uh, oh, no, 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 no. Having will take it only the things which are available here only. Okay. So you should mention it here. Country. Okay. This is a big problem then. Now I will solve it by where only. See, the problem here is having always takes, understand this, having always takes whatever the aggregate functions you are giving now, only for the aggregate functions only it will work. It won't work for your normal columns. Having will not work for your normal columns. For example, if I do this, if I print, if I print here, males 20, females 17. Now, if he is asking it like, show me the Indians if they are greater than 18 only. If the count value, if the count value is greater than 18 only, show it to me. Or less than 20 only, show it to me. Imagine I'm printing the sum of the people or salaries of all the Indian salary sum, all the USA salary sum, salary average, or all countries average I'm showing it. Now show me the salaries average which is greater than a certain element. Because you when you are grouping, sir, you are grouping it for this element for count. Because whenever you are grouping, you are counting how many are there in the males, one, two, three, that group, na? That only will be considered. Now, this Indians you can do having condition. If I say having country, having Indians greater than 18. Now it will come only males 20. Now, so having will check one condition after grouping it, but also having will check it for only aggregate functions, sir. Having will check it only for aggregate functions, sir, not for the normal columns. Okay, only aggregate functions we will write it. Now, sir, we didn't write a condition only Indians, then how it is showing? I wrote it here name as Indians. You put it any name, it works. It is not only we means Indians, it's like normal people, that's it. Okay. Someone is saying it like, what does it mean by aggregate functions? The functions are there used to for calculation. Some kind of calculation you will do. Those are called aggregate functions. Count, sum, max, min. Okay. And count, max, min, sum, average. Having only used for this function one. Okay. If I have to mention only male, see, this is the point. Listen, so many people are there. Now, now you wanted only Indians who are male, but it is saying it like it's not possible because once you group them according to the, according to this count wise, gender wise, you group them. Now, if you want to separate them according to the country one, it will not allow you because it will allow for only this aggregate functions. So, if you want it, first take it all the Indians separately. Use the where condition. Use the where condition. Select the Indians. In that Indians, group the male and female. You got my point? Use the where condition. Separate the only Indians, and then we mentioned it. It will work. But group is used for group results. Always remember. And having and where difference is, having will be applied after group. Where will be applied before group. Okay. That is the only difference. Okay. Now, next one, ma. Let's not stuck here only. Now, now, let's try. Let's try here. If anyone did not get it, don't worry. We will do so many queries. In that, it will come. Again, we'll do. Don't worry. Don't worry. We will do. Okay. Now, let it complete, ma. Don't worry. Now, it's like people are worried now. Let it be. Let's see. Hmm, okay. Let's try another query. In this, you will understand. Country wise, country wise, country wise, show the average salary, average salary, and retrieve country wise, show the average salary and retrieve only salaries, only average salary greater than 50K or 40K. Yesterday we did this. When we come to another table, we will do more and more. Don't worry. If anyone getting any error, let me know, ma. Kannaya, error is coming. What error? Select gender counter as people from school dot teachers group by gender having people greater than 18. There is no problem only. What is that? What is the error there? Unknown column country dot. That means there is no country. Where did you write a country there? In that query, you did not write country only, na? How it will come country? Now, go here. Now, Hare, if you are getting chota ones only confused, focus here, Ray. Next joins are there. Now, select, select country. I am printing the country and I am printing the average salary. Some people online are giving answers nicely. Average salary from Sensei. Now, I asked you to group it. I asked you to group them. Oh, so grouping by. Now, someone is saying it like, before grouping by, they are using where. I am not asking it like normal salary greater than 40K. I am saying it average salary has to be 40K. Where will you get the average salary? After you grouping the people only, you will get the average, na? So after the grouping, you are using it. So how I am doing this one? Average salary, or if you keep it one name, something average, average sal. So here also average sal I will use. This is just a name I give. Having average sal. A group by country, Ray. Group by country. Average sal greater than 40,000. This is a literal example of having, sir. Please understand. Neha, online someone is asking it like use where and the salary. If I use where, it will not work. Listen, first I will use this. Let me bring it. Now I got there is no one greater than average salary greater than 40K then. Greater than 3K. So many are coming. So 30, let's like, so 32, 32, 33. So that's why no one is coming. So I will give here 33,000. Only Russia will come. Okay. Now imagine the same query. Someone is saying it like use where. If you are using where should be using before now? Where should be used before now? Now see you got one error. Can you see the error? There is an error. It will say like, I will show you the error, sir. You can see the error. Unknown column average salary in where clause. Why? Because this average salary is a aggregate function, sir. Aggregate functions cannot be read by normal one. Can aggregate functions read by group by? Because group by is the creating that aggregate functions. Or aggregate functions can be read by normal things like having. Okay. But where cannot take the average for salary only. If you give normal salary, the logic is only wrong. So that is why we will use having. Having works with aggregate functions, where will not work with aggregate functions. And having is applied after grouping and where is applied after, before grouping. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear at least now? Okay. At any point you are getting doubt, again you can tell. Or if you do it one, two queries, ma. Listen, yesterday I told you something called lead code. Go to lead code. In that there are some problems like grouping problems. Something like grouping is there. Now try that grouping one. Is this clear? Now let's go. Okay, good. Now I forgot. I will better stop the chat. Okay, good. I don't know. Interesting point is sometimes I used to think it like, is it right? No. I used to say it like, no, no, chhod do. Now, anyway, come back to the class mode. Now, everyone, boys, listen to this, ma. Now, everyone, listen to this. Most interesting point of all. In your interviews, in your interviews, they will not they will not stop interview without asking this concept, which is called joins. Till now, you discussed with only one table, right or not? Till now, you discussed like only one table is there, sir. One table, how to retrieve, how to put order, how to put group by. What if two tables are there? Discuss now foreign key. Now, foreign key and normal key, you add it now. Now you are like, how if foreign key is there, how you will add them? Okay. Or if foreign keys are there, how two tables are connected? Those kind of things you will use join, sir. First, you will create a table. Create two tables such that one table primary key will be in another table candidate key. Sorry, another table foreign key. Another table foreign key. So I am taking some reference, sir. I will show you some tables. You create that tables, Ray. Okay. Now go here. Go here. Type it here. Program is online SQL compiler. I will just show you the tables, ma. Name. Customers, orders. Now, okay, it is okay, not bad. Now, everyone, we need to create two tables, sir. One is table name customers, one is table name orders. And the customer table will have one thing called customer ID, and that is the primary key, sir. And orders table we have customer ID, but this time customer ID is a foreign key, sir. First we create the tables, then we will understand. I am creating one more database. Let's create a database from starting. You also do it on your own, sir. Create database. um, Shop. Use shop. Use shop. Then create table. Table name customers. Table name customers. Then next, column names. Online, if anyone wants to send the data, I can't send the data. It's in a picture online. So customers, customer ID, first name, last name, age, country. I will take a shortcuts. Okay. CID, which is an integer and a primary key. Primary key. F name, varchar 20. L name, varchar 20. And uh, age, int, country, varchar 20. See, I'm not using any auto increment and all. I will only give the data. That's it. Okay. But if you want to use it auto increment, you know how to put it actually. Right? Now, next. Now, create table orders. Orders. Order ID, integer, and primary key. Order ID, integer, primary key. Item amount. Item. Item. Varchar 20. Varchar 20. And amount, integer, and then customer ID. Now here customer ID is not a normal one. So you will write it here. Foreign key, references, foreign key, references, customers dot cid. Huh? Foreign key, cid, references, customers. Customers, in customers CID, customers also table column name is CID. So here I'm creating one more thing which is CID, and that CID also be named separately, CID int. Now note it down. Now why references I'm telling it. Dekho, I created four columns. First column is OID, second column is item, third column is amount, fourth column is CID. Then what it will think, it may be new CID, but I am saying it is not something new CID. It is the foreign key. Whatever the CID which you are having is a foreign key which is referencing from in customer table also CID. You can put any name here. What if sir here I put BID? कुछ नहीं होता. Here BID is nothing but their CID. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? So I will always put the same name because I don't want to get confused later, but it would be similar. Like if you put it here, your wish. Sometimes your tables will not have same name. It will have different names. Now I will show you also. I will just click it. Again, I'm see the second table, ma. First table easy, normal. Second table, here I created order ID, primary key, no doubts. Amount, your wish. If you wanna put it, kuch nahi hota. Okay. So it's not mandatory, na. CID int. Now, how many columns you are taking it? Four. One is OID, one is item, one is amount, one is CID. If you write it like this much only, it will create a new column which is CID. But I don't want it a new column. I want something reference from the old one only. Sir, why you are using reference? Without reference also you can give na. No, it should not. Why? Because imagine in in class teachers table, for example, class table is there, 10th class table. In this 10th class table, one teacher name is there. He is the class teacher. But in teachers table, that guy name is not there. Will it be okay? Imagine one student name is not in students table, but his name is in topper's name. Will it work? That means when you are referring two tables, whatever the foreign one you take, it should be there in the primary. It should be there in the original. You take this logic. Here, you see, you have customer ID 4, customer ID 4, customer ID 3, 1, 2. All these are there. What if here customer ID 9 is there? Will it accept? Why? Because actual there is no customer only in the name ID. So how can he order? That's a basic logic wrong. So if you connect the two things, it will accept the only values which are there in original. So that way you can avoid so many problems. Now here, go here. After BID int, do I need to give comma? Yes, you need to give comma. Dekho, last one you need to give comma and you need to mention foreign key and whatever the column name, your column name, references and table name, which table you are taking and their column name. Why to use reference when we already declare as a foreign key? You are telling foreign key. Okay, अच्छा है foreign key. But किधर देखना? I will have 10 tables. Which table you are taking it this as a foreign key? So you have to tell which table. Na? That is why we use reference. Which table ka which column you are taking it as a reference. Any doubts? Ah, అర్థం కదా. We use it. We did not get it still. Actually, we have it like all the operators. I will tell you some functions and all. I will tell you in the Monday, na. At that time, I will tell you chota things. My like and all are there. So many are there. Okay, those things. Yeah. Now, someone is saying it like, what if I mention multiple foreign keys? Write it. Imagine, imagine I amount is also an another fee, another one. Put it here again and another foreign key, something, and again. Oh, sorry. Here item. and reference customers. I'm just giving it. You can put how many foreign keys you like. In customers table, in customers table, whatever the first name is there, that first name only I will take it here as in customer table, whatever the first name is there, that first name only I will take it here item name. You can put how many foreign keys you like it, ma. I'm just showing you as example because someone asked it like foreign keys. Okay. You can put multiple foreign keys also. Multiple foreign keys means multiple references. That is true. One foreign key, multiple references. ऐसा कैसा होता? It will never work. One key belongs to one table only. How can you take one person detail from two tables? Listen, I say it like customer ID. Customer ID from which table? In one table, it will be in a primary key. You should take it any one from one point only. I take it like some details from this table, from some from this table. No, that is not a foreign key. Foreign key refer to one table only always. Okay. Now, 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 is it clear, my everyone? Again, I'm telling it. तो ये बहुत easy है. You have a table and Kusuma, don't get confused, ma. Everyone, don't get confused about candidate key. There is no point of candidate key in your MySQL. Okay, ये बहुत आसान है. But still, some people were like, they are not thinking. Very simple. Listen, in one table, you have it like your ID number. Okay, or your hall ticket number. This is about hall ticket number, and it will say it like whether pass or fail. Okay, now again, there is another table. In this table, sir, I will write it something serial number, and I will say toppers hall ticket. Who are getting toppers? Imagine one person is having it a hall ticket number. Imagine one person is there. He is listed in toppers list, but that guy is not listed in the pass list. Will it work? No, it won't. So whatever the details you are having it in that another table, hall ticket numbers, that details only should come here. It should not be new. So you are taking it. This is called, this is called reference. So you here, whatever the toppers are there, these toppers are actually hall tickets only. It is taking it from the reference. That is only I did. Here CID I taken from their CID, and I will show you both the tables now. Let me run it. You have an SQL error. What is that error? CID. Yes, it is there. Shop CID at the end. What is there at the end? I put comma. Dekho. I put extra comma, sir. Don't get it. Okay. People are just changing it however they want. See, just because you get an error, you should not change the syntax, sir. Okay. Now, ho gaya. The code is right only. I put extra comma only. Now, if you go to the tables, I will show you my tables. Dekho. In here, there is another database created named shop. Inside the shop, there are two tables. One is customers, the one is orders. In customer table, CID is there, F name is there, L name is there, age is there, country is there. Okay. But if I go to the orders, in orders also, OID is there, item is there, amount is there, CID is there. But interesting point is, if I go into the orders table, either dekho. This is the order table in detailed. What is what? Okay. Now, if I go to the foreign keys, here, it will show you clearly. See, orders table, you have something called customers table reference. Orders table is connected to the customers tables. That's what they are saying it. This table is connected to another table, which is customers table. Now let's start it here. Online, someone is giving me the data. Thank you so much. Insert into value shop dot customers. Thank you, sir. Kannaya. Give me for another table also. Anyway, he's doing na good. Good work. This is called social work. Social service. Now, let's see. Hope there are no errors. Okay, good service only. Now, customer table is filled. Happy. Now, let's fill the orders table. Kannaya. Okay. That is not what I expected. That is good. Not bad. Now, let's go here. Insert into values. I got orders also. हो गया. This is one of the biggest task, entering the values. But the data, is it okay? Is it repeated? Ray? It is repeated, Ray. Data is repeated. Data is good only, not bad. Now, if you see here, everyone see this list. Everyone see this list. Now, I have data. If I go to the customers table, initially, I have so many customers. Now, each customer is having an ID, right or not? Let's go to the order. Now, go here. Now, who ordered laptop? देखो, who ordered laptop? Customer ID 1. What is his name? Rahul. Rahul Sharma. Now I want to get that in a query. I want you to write a query which will combine two tables data. You have two tables. Already the two tables are connected. Now I want you to, how we checked it, sir? Now let's do it humanly. Humans, how they will do? Humans are like, okay, what is the item name? Laptop. So what is the customer ID? 1. Then let's go to another table. What is the customer ID here? 1. And what is his name? Right? Now, same thing I wanted the query to do. And that is called joins. Joins literally is used whenever you want to write a query which will combine the data of two or more number of tables. Not one. When you are having two or more number of tables, you want to combine the data, you will use joins. Let's understand the joins line by line, because this is the most interesting and important topic of all. Online also, if you get it doubts, you can ask ma. Now onwards, please focus. Now, go here, joins. Now, sir, shop customers indicates what? Shop customers indicates shop is a database, customers is a table, sir. How you inserted data, Hasmita? I just gave the AV, AI. Online it is there. You can take it, sir. Now, now, now see this, sir. Joins. Joins are used, used to write queries which involves two or more number of tables. When you are sure you need at least two tables to answer this question, you will use something called joins ma. Now in the earlier one, if I say it like customers, if someone asked me like how many orders the client one did, I can tell it directly by orders table. Or how many mails are there in customers, I can tell it by customer table only. I don't need to combine. But what if someone is saying it like how many whatever the laptops, how many laptops were ordered by Rahul? Then I need to combine. You got my point? Because Rahul name is in one table and this laptops is in another table. You need to combine them using that CID bridge, that foreign key bridge. So when you have to shore like at least two tables you need to answer your question, your query, you will use something concept called join. And there are different joins. There are different joins available in MySQL. Usually in MySQL, some are not available also. I will tell you, don't worry. First one, inner join. We will discuss first one, inner join. There are something called inner join, outer join, left join, right join. Okay, so many. Now, first one, inner join. Inner join is used to retrieve the common data. Inner join is used to retrieve the common data. Inner join is used to retrieve the common data. Madhavi, Lata, shop is not a table, Ray. Shop is a database. There is a difference. Inner join, you will write it here. Uh, inner join is used to retrieve the common data. Yeah, let's start. Now, imagine there is one table. There is another table. Now, inner join, what it will bring, this common area. Whatever the connected area, whatever the combined area, those thing only will come with inner. Inner join will be used to get it only the common one. Okay. Now, let's write it. How do you write it? Here, intersection, you can call it. Yes. Inside city intersection. That is true. Okay. Now, you go and see the table, sir. Now, customers, in customers table, there is customer ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 15 are there. Right or not? Now, in orders table, whoever the customer's order only will be there. Now, customer ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. Is there any customer named 11 ordered anything? Customer 12 order anything? Customer 13? No. 14? No. 15? That means customer 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are in customer table, but they are not in client order table. There is a chance that in one table, some number of people extra are there, but they are not in another table because it's just a reference. All the people who are passed will not be in toppers table, na? Right or not? So only the common people who are there, I want their data. I will use inner join. What I will use? Inner join. Now, how do you use it? I will only tell. Now, let's write a
This meeting is
Online, can
being
you hear
recorded.
me? I am here only, ma. Online, are you not getting voice, ma? Now, it's a good comment. Now, voice is clear. Okay, very good. Let's see. Now, again, I'm showing it. Now, I want customer names and I want it like whatever the order they do. Okay. Now, if any customer is there, what their name and their orders. Okay. Let's print it, sir. Let's print it. How do you do that? First, select, select. You want customer name. So customer name is in which table, sir? Customers table. Let's write it like C. C is for customers table. C is for customers table. C dot. What is the column name? First name. F name. Common I dot ray. Now select C dot first name. What does it mean? C means customer. Where did you tell? I will tell later. Don't worry. I will tell later. C means customers. Customers table. F name. What do you want? And orders table. What is that name? Item. Orders table item. Okay. Items name item. Now from from customers customers as C. What is the first table? Customers table. You are adding this customer table to which table, ma? Orders table. So join. Write it here. You are writing it for inner join. Inner join. What is the table you are adding? Orders. And as O. Madhavi Lata question. Why are you written customer data and order data? It is not visible in shop database. What? It is visible in shop database, sir. Where are you writing? I wrote it before only create database shop. First write it create database. Then only I created the data. Now, sir, till now any doubt, sir? But here it will not work. Why? Because you said it like print the names first name or print the item name or from where from customers table from orders table join them. But what is the condition? What is the condition you will join them? What is the condition that you will join them? Now bolo. Now देखो condition क्या है इधर? Here, here, what you want? Like I want see John, John, and did John order anything? Did John order anything, ma? Keyboard. So answer it will print John and keyboard. How it will come? John ka customer ID should be equals to orders table ka customer ID. Then only you will print side by side. When will you print side by side, ma? When customer ka customer ID and this orders tables ka customer ID, when they both are equal, then only you want them to print. That is how normally when you check humanly, you will do that only, na? Tell me, what did Robert bought anything? What the Robert bought? How did you tell Robert ka ID you equaled with the orders table customer ID? Same logic I will use. I will write it here. Same logic I will write here. Customers table बोले तो C, orders बोले table बोले तो O. So where C dot CID equals to O dot CID. Simple. Huh? అర్థం కాల on on. So when you are using joints, you will write condition like on. Simple. थोड़ा सोच करे तो लॉजिक आ जाता. लॉजिक बहुत इजी है. The point is, most people are not getting it. Very simple. It is one more time. I will tell you. On is condition. See, listen. Normal condition where group by condition having join condition on. Okay. Join is condition on. And I will tell you. Still, most people are getting confused. Again, I'm telling it. What is this query means? It means on is used for condition. Now, if I use it, what is this? Inner join on. Where did I put wrong? On right only. CO. Mhm. Created database shop. Okay. Run it separately. Table school customers doesn't exist. Use shop. I am using shop database. Why it ran now? Okay. Listen. Listen. When it is not running your query, don't worry. Just run it one more time. It will work. New one. New learning curve. Good. Now listen. On will work 100%. Maybe something previous one stops this. Now take this one, my everyone. Understand this. What is the logic here? If I run this, what is it printing? First one, what is it printing? F name. F name is from which table? So what I write it here? C dot C dot F name. Sir, why did you write C dot? Because customers table, I think it as C. I don't want to think it as C, sir. Write it customers dot F name. Your wish. Okay. Because I'm lazy to write customers dot F name, I write it as a shortcut of as C and then I write it. If you directly write it here, sir, if I only write it like this, customers dot F name and I remove it, will it be any problem? No, it's your wish. Now, next one. Second, item is from the another table. Okay, orders. So I am taking it join. Till now easy. Last one is the condition. Condition is like checking. Condition is like when you wanna print. Whenever this CAD and OID. See, CAD from the customer table, CAD from the order table. When they both are matching, then only print them. Then only print them. What if they are not matching? For example, listen. Interesting point is this. Take it. There is one guy. Order number 11 is there. Sorry, customer ID 11 is there. Customer ID 11 is not there in the order. Is not there in the order. Will it come here? Because you are taking only common data. You are taking only common data. Now, here, instead of inner join, if I used left join, instead of inner join, I am using left join. Now, click here. Now also I got the data. But this time, when I go down, now, can you see here? Sachin, Tanvi, Raj, Nidhi, Abhi. What are the values? What are their values? That means those are the people, order number 11, order number 12, order number 13, 14, 15. Those people are not having anything. The basic difference between left join and inner join. फिर बताऊंगी. Now देखो, listen. Now here you are creating a new table. Now here you are writing a new table, sir. How do you write it? Now if I am creating a new table, What is the common people? See this. Common people are John, write it name John, and he bought keyboard. John bought a keyboard. And again, Robert. Robert bought mouse pad. And next, David. David bought monitor. David bought monitor. And then John again, another John is there. He bought keyboard and mouse. It will print John keyboard and John mouse. If you use group by, it will come at a time. Or Betty. Betty bought what the Betty bought? Nothing, na? Now if you use inner join, it will show only these things. Because these data, whatever the names you mentioned, this data is available in both the tables. Right or not? But if you say it like left join बोले तो left table पूरा चाहिए. लेफ्ट टेबल पूरा चाहिए कंप्लीटली. आई वांट लेफ्ट टेबल में क्या क्या है? जॉन है, रॉबर्ट है, डेविड है, जॉन है, एंड देन बेट्टी इज आल्सो देयर. बट व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ बेट्टी हियर? नथिंग इज देयर, तो नल. It will write it like everything from left table. Sir, what is left table? Whatever you are writing from first table you will write, na? But first one is called left table. Second one is called right table. Sir, why we are using this? Imagine I have it like one table for the only people who passed. I gave it like people who passed only in one table. Okay. I have it like one table, only people who passed. And there is another table, sir. Only students list is there. Now I want to print it one more table. Student name, pass or fail. Student name, pass or fail. Sir, if they are pass, if you use inner join, they pass, they will come. But failed student, will they come? Inner join, they will not come. But if you use in left join, it will come failed people also. For them, it will come null. And that null, I will change it into the fail. Any doubts? Are you getting my point, ma? Now, go here. Everyone, use your mind. No need to think much. Use your mind slowly. If we discuss joins one more day also, I don't have any problem. But slowly think. Print, print people's name with amount they spent. With amount they spent. People's names with the amount they spent. How much John spent? John Doe. Customer ID 1. How much he spent? How much John spent my money? 400. How much Robert spent? Robert Luna. 250. How much David Robinson spent? 12,000. How much John Reinhardt spent? 700. Thank you. He did not spend 400 or 300. He spent 700. Got my point? And how much Betty spent? 0. Show the Betty. I want it like people whoever spent it only. I want how much they spent. Try it. I'm giving it 3 minutes time. Slowly think. No worries. Online also, I hope you understand. Madhavi Laita, why should not use in where place on? You should not use because on will work for only joins. Simple. Last ones, whoever are doing time pass, try करो रे. हो गया. बोलो रेसोल्यूशन, बोलो रेसोल्यूशन, सॉल्यूशन बताओ उसका। सेलेक्ट, बोलो। सी, एफ नेम, ओके, कामा ओ डॉट, अमाउंट, हाँ हाँ, ओके, लेवल सी, फ्रॉम कस्टमर्स, सी, from join, inner join, orders as C. Oh, okay. On C dot CID equals to O dot. That's it. हाँ, इसमें देखो, what happened रे? राहुल 50,000 वही रे। हाँ, now इसमें problem. See, this is the problem. Rahul 50,000, Rahul 2,500. What does it mean? Two Rahuls are there. Only one Rahul is there na. Then why two Rahuls are came? देखो, two Rahuls came. Logic, logic barabar. There is logic, no doubt. But how do you make it one Rahul? The two Rahuls. Ray, you use distinct, one will remove Ray. Distinct bole to in two Indias are there, it will remove the second India and it will give unique results. So 2,500 will be removed if you use that. You got my point? Group by, very good. Online group by is giving. Okay. Now, good. Group by C dot F name. But when you, what is the use if you are using group by? Some. This is the answer, which I expect you guys will do. Sorry, sir. ग्रुप बाय ओ डॉट सी डी कुछ नहीं होता, क्योंकि ये दोनों सेम है इधर। हाँ, इट विल बी। यस राहुल, यू हैव टू हैप्पी। ओके, if God gave two brains, that would be too good. Now, column CAD is on a class, is on class is ambiguous. You used too much big words, but the problem is they are just equal. देखो, can I give group पर C dot CAD? Give it. कुछ नहीं होता, but you are grouping for what name? If you give it, see, this is the problem. You are giving group by CID. Then CID number 1, CID number 2, both will be added. CID number 1 बोले तो राहुल, CID number 1 बोले तो राहुल. They will be same only na. You group by name or you group by CID, nothing for us. Okay. But here, it's better to give the names based on here so that you will not getting any problem. Okay. Now, Jyotirmayi. What is the difference between O dot OID and O dot CID? O dot OID is the order ID. O dot CID is the reference, which is basically customer ID only. You guys are actually, if anyone is in LKG only, they won't understand third class editions also. That's what I'm saying it. This is very easy. And I'm telling you one more time, I will tell you. At any point you get it out, I will tell you one more time this whole thing. Forget about left join. We will do left join, right join later. This inner join only I want you to perfect. Okay. Now, First, I will give you table. Everyone, I will show you the table. I will show you the table. Whoever understand, do the query. Remaining people do it manually, like how you do. Then I will write the query. This is a simple logic. Now go here. W3 schools, MySQL, practice.
This meeting is being
How do you
recorded.
tell? Customer ID. So what is the order ID here? What is happening online? It's not coming. Online, can you hear me? Especially when I explain nice things only, they will be gone. Now, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Okay. Listen, listen. Very simple. Here one order ID is there. This is the order table. Listen to the order table. Order table contain order ID, customer ID, employee ID, order date, shipper ID. I am explaining it again. Don't worry online. Don't panic. I am telling it. One table is there. Order ID, customer ID, order date, employee date, and shipper ID. Simple table. Now, take it this order ID. What is the order ID name? 10248. First one, what is order ID? 10248. What is the customer order? What is customer ID? 90. Now your goal is from which country this order came. From which country this order came. Then I will go to customer table. I will go to customer table and order number 9, customer ID 90. Customer number 90. Oh, where is this? Go down. Customer number 90, 90, 90. Now, which country it came, sir? Order? Finland. Which country? Now you did it on your own, na? Like that, I wanted a query. Now, using these two tables, now you have a two tables. One table is containing order ID, customer ID, and another table is containing, just forget about all other things. Another table is containing customer ID and country name. Country. Based on order ID, I want the country name. Can you write a query, sir, now? Everyone write a query and we'll leave. Last query. Write one query which will print order ID. Write one query which will print order ID and the country name. I want their country name from two tables. You take it the tables names order. You take the table names order and customers. You take it any table names. I don't care. Table names. Question is, write a query to print order ID and country name. Order ID and country name. For which order ID, which country? Simple. Select order ID, order ID from O table, and country name from C table. Huh? అర్థం కాల. From what is the first table you are considering? Orders. You are using inner join. In inner join, it doesn't matter whatever the first table because they are giving common data. But if you are using left join or right join, it is important. Next class we will show you. Now here orders as C and join customers as C. Okay, I am confused. Orders as O. Okay, I can't edit, I think here. Don't copy it literally. Okay, it's gone. It's gone literally. Now don't worry. Anyway, you are writing it on your own, na? Yeah. So this is, but you all understand the question now, order ID and customer ID. Online, so many people answered it correctly. Now, till now, whatever the classes happened, all classes are available in the links ma online. You can see it. Okay. Now, any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? Okay. And as you all know that, just for a case, I'm saying it. Tomorrow is a holiday, and we all will meet Monday again. Okay. So wish you happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you all. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Chanda. Arey. Rahul, next class. Seriously. Same to you. Wish you the same. Good. Thank you. Good. There is SQL police. I will check it, man. Amit Kumar. Don't worry.